In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email templates in Monday.com. First, open an existing project board where you want your emails to originate. In Monday.com, your board is the source of truth for items, owners, and statuses, so creating the template from the right board ensures your messages use the correct context. Make sure you have permission to manage automations on this board, since that's where we'll set everything up. Next, look for the Automate button at the top of the board to open the Automation Center. This is where Monday.com stores ready-made recipes that connect triggers on your board to actions like sending an email. It's a great way to standardize communication without manual work. In the Automation Center, use the search bar to type Gmail or the email service you plan to use. Monday.com supports popular providers, so choose the one your team relies on to keep everything seamless. Select Gmail as the example provider. This lets us walk through a common setup, but the flow is very similar if you're using another email service. You'll now see a list of email recipes that pair typical board events with sending an email. Pick a template that matches your workflow, such as sending an email when a status changes or when a due date arrives. Recipes are customizable, so focus on the trigger and recipient options that best mirror how your team communicates. When prompted, connect your email account. Sign in to the correct account for this board's communications and approve the requested permissions. If your team uses a shared inbox, connect that account so messages come from a consistent address. Now click into the email field within the recipe to write your message. Keep the subject line clear and actionable, and use the body to provide context. Short, structured paragraphs work well. You can reference details that will come from the item, such as the item name or status, to keep each email relevant without rewriting it every time. For recipients, you can type a teammate's email address, but consider scalability. Rather than hard-coding a single person, choose the option to send to board subscribers under the Someone field. That way, anyone subscribed to the board stays informed automatically, even as your team changes. Finally, select Create Automation to save your setup. From here, your recipe will handle emails based on the trigger you chose, keeping your communication timely and consistent. If you ever need to refine the wording or audience, return to Automate, open the recipe, and adjust the message or recipient rules to keep your template aligned with your process.